Okay, so I woke up extremely stuffy again, as I do every morning. It's kind of cloudy today, so hopefully nothing like outside weather will affect myself, but I'm highly allergic to dust and stuff, so it makes me very, very stuffy, especially when I wake up in the morning. So I just woke up and I'm gonna get in the shower, see if I can get some sneezes out, but I get the best nose blows in the shower. So here we go. Well, that came out of nowhere. What? My dog's looking at me like, what are you doing? Don't go in there. Good girl. Phew. That was weird. All right, Irish Spring. So, a lot of you are probably going to ask me, well, maybe not a lot of you, but I am a female. I do enjoy male and female sneezes. However, I am gay. So I tend to prefer female sneezes over men. Yeah. I'm allergic to pollen, dust, dogs, cats. Even though I have 4 dogs, but they don't shed. Yeah. So maybe one of these days I'll induce with something. I don't know. I just prefer natural stuff. Y'all enjoy your day.